Hola, chi. It is me. Welcome back to this car. Oh, man, give me my car. Yeah, I got the op now. Op stopper. Hey, it's me, formerly known as the op stopper. Where do you think you're going? They're going over there. I'm gonna chase them. Where do you think you're going? Hey. Can't catch me back. Oh god. Dang, that puppet's out for blood. Wait, who even? Ow, who even? I know who it is. Actually, attack! This is beautiful. Epic cart. Oh, it was you. Fitting it with M's, Nanny, or Buzz. Seems easy enough. Like equals 100. Nah, you won't. I played that before. I played that before, you cheeky little sucker. You can't fool me now. I can't be beaten. Maybe I can, maybe I won't. Who knows? Oh god.
I'm so gonna win everything. Gotta get rid of that smell.
Spray him once and he starts working. Hold up, gang, wait up. A Damien's here. Rah! Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Wah! Am I taking this? Goodbye. Bye. Bye. See you never. Oh, this is a bad area to be. Think I have complete control over this. I totally have control over my situation. Get in the car, loser. We're going shopping. Yeah. Oh, I'm levitating. That's like 4. That's like 4. Otis. Goober. It's the Leon. I saw the blue background.
Hashtag I'm so gonna win everything.
I know I will. Uh-oh, bad. Bad, car, bad. Suck, you just gave me a car. See you later, sucker. Here. I suggest you start going now. I suggest you start fleeing the epic car chase. Let's go. Yeah, hell yeah. I love this. I love cars. Go. Run for it. Can't catch me. I'm uncatchable. Leave me alone. Joker. Jokeri. Okay, good day. Que puedo. Okay, killed 2 people. That's nice to know. Let's go. If only had more accessible cars. Speaking of which, let's go. It's a crow.
They say she's too wrapped up in herself.
Let's go.
Time for a detox.
Get in, loser. We're going reckless. We're going murdering. This is way fun. Rear end him. You should not have given us this crap. See you later. Get in, loser. We're going car shopping. Then to him with the car combo. The combo. Jukes. I'm juking you. Yeah, get me with. Try zombie by me. Oh god. Go for it, crow. Ouchies. So turns out that. Oh, okay. Kyle. Please, Carl, I need this. Carl, please win the race. If I just see... Okay. It's Damien.
I'm only here for the trophies.
Okay. Wait, hold on. Wait for me.
Gotta get rid of that.
Get in those. I wanna go on shopping. And I oop. Oh god. Leave her alone. Team. Ha. That is the quickest showdown. Actually, no, I've seen quicker. 7 more to go. I think the calculations. Enter the bush and can see if you attack or take damage. Can they see me while I'm driving a 2001 Honda Civic? Who's my homie that I can...
I'm so overpowered.
It's a, who are you? Lily, it's a...
Breathe again.
Uh-oh, time to go. I need a car. Hola. You gotta be joking me. Whoa. I've joined the chaos of this, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Well, thank you for the car. There's gracias. I have no clue what's happening, and I'm proud of it. Time to go. Ouchies. Go. I suggest you hide in the bush. Thank you. Don't go for the car. Thank you for going for the car. Gracias.
I'm only here for the trophy. By me.
Here. Let's go explode. Think of their position. Think of their camp. Semi-area. Semi-local. No, screw you. Damn, they're good. They're good as hell, boy. Oh, God. 1 point. Sick car chase. Go. Thank you. Thank you for murdering them violently. Kill them. Hit them with a car. We found their mate. Yeah. Take this, fiend. Oh, wrong way. This is just who can shoot cars faster. Hold on, let me get. Oh, it's like, oh my. Oh, you got me there for a second. How have they not died yet? I'm curious about that. Ouchies. Oh, they won. Kudos to them. Damn, you are good. Oh, God. I gotta push trophies with M's. Because I feel like she's underlooked by me. Who's my homebot that can dap up?
I'm so overpowered.
Oh, it's a crow. It's a crow. You gotta be joking me. We should have never given them that car. Quickly putting it. I'm gonna get him. Oh, see you later, sucker. I'm off driving my car. Nakamura said I can't drive cars. Who said, look at me now, I'm winning. Woo! I'm gonna do donuts. I'm doing donuts. Grab a car, idiot. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go significantly the other way. Stop right there. Oh wait, he did. I didn't see it. It's hard to tell if they did or not. Ouchie, 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 ouchie. I'm feeling. Yes, I currently am feeling so attacked right now. I'm going now. Goodbye. Hey! Take your side right here. Ouchies. You should not let me drive. Do you see these maneuvers I'm doing? Stop right here, stop right there. If you let me be a virtual assistant, I will lead us to crash. Who is my homie I can dap up?
I'm only here for the trophies. So I can finally breathe again.
Oh god. Hey, can you get that for me? I need to directly drive. Thank you, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. You creepy! It's a crap, I'm gonna skin you alive. I'm gonna skin. I think they can see you, you know. Who gave card to my randoms? I feel. You know, you may think I'm a bad driver. Just look at my randoms, please. Who gave them a driver's license? Starnova is an anime cosplayer. I don't think she's... I think she's like a teenager. I'm not sure. But, like, I know she can't... She's not old enough to drive. I'm obviously old to drive, right? Totally. Okay, yes, you earned it, buddy. Problem. I need a car as well. Excuse me, sir. This is a bad situation we're already in. We should have gone away. It's fine. We're not on a losing streak just yet. It's only a losing streak if I lose 10 times. Or 25. Then it's a losing streak and I will end my lineage right there. It's a kid, it's the kid, it's the cat that Carnage hates.
They say she's too wrapped up in herself. Hashtag haters.
There's a hair on my screen.
So I can finally breathe again.
Wait! Shut up!
I'm like so attacked.
Goodbye. See you never. Shut right here. Oh god, save me. Oh god. I don't know where I am. I'll save you, homie. Cha. They got us. They got us. Damn, son. I don't think Kid was a good idea there. You got more takedowns for me. Okay, Nanny, I need you. But no, I gotta push trophies. See? I barely have any. I'm a beginner, Ems. Oh god. But I can get these. Cool, right? We gotta continue. Alright. Let's see who's our homie. It's the Maisie, Jotaro. Crime Lord.
Someone here will follow me?
See how it's done.
Hashtag I'm so gonna win everything.
Yeah, car! I love my car! Run! I'm gonna run you over now! Forward. Ouchies. You got this, babe. Yeah! I will judge you for that. I will make... Well, you were... Initiate car chase. Ouchies. I'm unpredictable. Unpredictable. I have hit you with my car. No way, she hit you with the car. How? Explain. How is Maisie... Am I just buns that not...
Smoking. Shockwave. Now you see how it's done.
Jotaro.
See how it's done. I'm gonna snuff you out.
Okay. It's amazing. Initiate. Alright, let's kill everyone. It's Nova. It's Starnova. It's Stella. It's Stella. Whoopsies. Desperate need of boxes. See you later, see you later. See you later, alligator. Thanks for the free ride. Oh god. Oh god. I'm taking. We got hide in the furthest regions. Baba boy killed himself. Okay, suicide. Here, car here. How about it? Get in, loser. We're going. Bah!
Maisie to the rescue.
I may have eviscerated the child. No, it's not bad. They just you never take me out. But pause the. Gotta fix my posture. Maybe my posture. Boy, that's slowing me down. Alright, who's my homie? Is it a squeaky boy?
Ready to face the
It's a squeaky boy, yay! Squeak. Squeak. I'll wait for you, game. Yeah, okay. You in the car, baby. Way to go. Go. Ouchies. Okay, not the best one, but it's not the... But it's fine. Buddy. Your furry boy. I need those. Oh my! I will skin. If you use this, you will be skinned alive publicly. Public execute. Let us continue. Okay. You?
armed and ready.
Yep, it's it. Oh, gracias. Hell yeah, we going shopping. Damn, they covered themselves with their the blue. Mommy, save me. I'm in need of medically. I'm medically ill. Thank you very much. And boom, that's how it's done, homie. Taylor, whatever. I have one shot at Dorico. I hold him over here. I'll save you up.
Fortune favors the brave.
Get back here! Apex, chase him. Ouchie. Apex, go, no! I made a fatal mistake! Holy jammin'. I made a fatal mistake. I mean, quite literally it's fatal. I am dead in the ground. I am dead and burning. Oh god, I'm speaking like Maisie now. Oh boy. They're really rubbing on me. Okay, who is my friend that I can send a message?
Snuff you out.
Okay, Edgar. Affection. I think either he really likes Maisie or he really likes being buddies. I'm fine with the being buddies part. If it's simping for Maisie, okay, that's fine. Yeah, I see how people some. I see how some people are. I see how some of you are. You freaks. You goofy bitch. I'm gonna skin you alive now. Get back here. Hey, over here. Car. Yeah. He in the car. He in the 2010 Honda Civic. Excuse me, sir. There must be someone. Excuse me, sir. There must be someone you've confused me for. If I could see someone who know me or someone in uniform, I go to church on Sundays. Sometimes. Truly more. So sometimes more. Screaming at the angels while I push him through the door. He's friendly. Oh, don't kill him. It's a friendly. He's friend with. I'm gone. See you later. See you later, Dwayne. Goodbye. Take a sharp life now. 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 You ain't catching me. I'm unkillable. Kill him. Finish him! Ha! Oh, he's adapting. He learning. You gotta be joking me. Paka paka bow bow. Yeah. Joke's it. Damn. Let me show you how it's done. Kudos to that Edgar. I will make a post on him, how friendly he is. Why not? Let's spread love instead of violence, you know? Except if the player's being toxic. Then, no mercy. Adios, amigos. Psych, I ain't going yet. We're going all in.
I might be armless, but I'm in no way harmless.
Let's get some cars. Look at that Honda Civic. Hell yeah. Jackie, vulnerable Jackie. Easily vulnerable Jackie. Come here, Baba Grill. Oh, sorry. Pardon me for my hideous manner. Oh, look. Jukity. You should not have given me so many guns. Guns? No, not guns. Oh, they dodging, they risky. Riskiness. Oh yeah? Carmo.
Holy smoke!
They smart. That's smart too. That's smart, but fancy. That was idiotic of me. Oh god, they dead. Keep on fighting! Actually, no, Chester, don't do that. That's the opposite of what you want to do. They can see you, you know, as well as that, and maybe that, possibly that. Okay, maybe, give me that. You ain't going nowhere now, homie. Ouchies. I'm gonna cause a chain reaction of cars. Damn, son. Just made a stronger car win. Literally. You got me choking me. Excuse my legendary. 1,000. What do I want to max out? This time. Wait, hold on, let me rephrase that. 1,000 coins. Who should I max out? It is time, young one. Let us wreak havoc upon them. Let's get it. Maybe a bad decision, but it's fine. Krampus. Hold on, I'm slow. Get to the center before anyone else does. So let's get in and count him. Oh, glory. Oh, God. Imposter! Kill them! Murder. Oh. I'm much better at ramming into people. It soothes my brain. It soothes my brain. Ouchies. As soon as I get out, it's already done for y'all. Okay, he killed himself. That's nice. That's nice. Ouchies. Projecting. Oh, so close. Ouch. Okay, so I am a killing machine. Good to know. Super. 50 blade. That's nice. 1949. 9 years from when the man has done the bad. Charlie Chaplin. Let's go somewhere that's not here. We can go deal with that. Alright, time was car. Alright. Oh, he's his own vehicle. Let's get him, Daddy. I simply can't die. No. You leave me alone, sucker. Rats. I'm gone. Thanks for giving my laddie a free car. Oh no. Oh god. Oh, that's bad. Oh, they got through alright. They didn't even get hit with a car. They just got hit with Darrow, and he's a car himself. Why didn't they add Darrow to the Formula Brawl? He can turn into a battle. Darrow. Oh wait, it's Darrow.
I smell rubbish.
Rubbish. Hold up, laddie. Alright, come here. I gotta teach you a lesson. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. I can bump you. I can instant bump you. I can instant bump. Take a teeth right. Actually, oh, you gotta be joking me. That's a broken combo. You gotta be joking. As I now realize that the candy cane is actually just a branch. That's gonna give someone splinters, especially when I hit them on the face. Ouchies. Who's my friend here? The alligator. Okay, nice to know. In a format called Flying Fantasies, this isn't very fantasy-like. Bonk. Okay, come on! That's just rude. Respect your elders and how old is Ash, actually? Thank God you lived. Okay, I should just go now. Oh god, he's been given a car. He's been given a Honda Civic. That's okay, he's dead. It could be literally anyone. Oh, whoa. I have not seen my game crash like that. Not necessarily crash. This is a crash, though. Goodbye. See you never. Take a shot right here, and there, and I'm just making them damage. See you later. I'm gonna teach y'all Stop as a lesson. Smells of funny age condom. Give a my headshot. Kudos to that Addy and Edgar. Later, I think I'll be seeing you. Hold on. Hold on. Someone like decipher that to Griff. I think it says Griff. I don't know. Anyways, see you later. Bye.